What's up, winter lovers? It's a beautiful cold day and we're back at the Indian Ocean. We have some rescue guards here and it's beautiful. It is beautiful. I've never seen such a beautiful ocean in my entire life. There's more of the beach than the rocks. As you can see, lovely, beautiful natural stuff here. Very nice houses over here. Beautiful. If we come down here, I don't have COVID, okay? Yo, chill, guys. I wish I could go down on those rocks, but my mom hasn't letting me. But that's fine, because we did that on part 4 and 5. So, if you were wondering, cargo ships are there. And look at these houses, bruh. Shit. No way. So we just ran down here, guys. We're gonna see lovely houses. Little fudgy doggy. Fudgy dog. Hi. You lost, man. Guys, doggy, stay. Chill. Don't go anywhere. But look at these chairs, guys. Beautiful. Go like that. Very easy. And beautiful. Mom? Guys, my mom doesn't want to save that dog's life. Hopefully it belongs to someone there. Okay, I think that dog belongs to them. Obviously, probably does. Anyway, the Indian Ocean is still going. Please subscribe. So we hit 2 minutes. Part 7 soon.